and welcome to another episode of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're going to make a Southern favorite dish of okra, but we're going to put a little bit of an Asian twist on it. Stay tuned for this week's episode. First thing you want to do is slice up your okra. So you're gonna cut the end off and then cut it in a diagonal so you get 2 or 3 pieces out of it depending on how large your okra is. And then you're going to fry up your bacon. I'm gonna slice it up in little pieces, as well as my sausage. I'm gonna slice it up and put it in the pan. Bacon is frying away. I'll add the sausage in just a moment. You're supposed to be using Chinese salami and Chinese bacon. Well, I don't have that stuff, so I'm using good old smoked brats, actually from Hell's in Wisconsin, as well as their smoked bacon. I do, however, have soy sauce. So there you go. There's the Asian twist. When you see some of the bacon fat rendering, that's what you want. You're going to push your bacon and your sausage up front. And then we're going to throw in our garlic and our ginger that we sliced up. And the peppers. The garlic and peppers and ginger are sizzling away. Do that for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to throw your okra in there. Got the okra going in there, and we're going to let that sizzle away for a few minutes. And it's not supposed to turn out slimy, guys. Combine all of your ingredients together and let it sizzle away for just a little longer. Don't forget to add in your soy sauce, maybe just a tablespoon or 2. Stir it thoroughly. And there you have it, our Asian style okra with bacon and sausage, ginger and garlic, and of course, soy sauce. And now for the taste test. Well, it smells really good. So I'm trying to get a little bit of everything on my fork. So, I think it would be very interesting to try this with the way the recipe was intended. So using real Chinese sausage and the Chinese bacon. However, the smokiness of the brat that I used and the smoked bacon, I think it's delicious, but it's a little overpowering. It takes over my okra, but let me try again. However, the ginger and the garlic and the pepper kind of give it more of an Asian flair. Oh yeah, definitely not slimy, which is awesome. I wasn't sure if it would turn out slimy or not, but it actually didn't. Okay guys, if you like this Southern dish and want to give it a twist, try it, comment below, let me know how it turns out for you, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye!